Liebherr fridge freezers, high quality German brand. They're a bit of a specialist. They make a very wide range of products, colours, sizes, choices, but they are extremely good, that's for sure. If you look at this fella, it's a sleek design, continuous nice flush handles here. This is loosely what they call a 60-40, which is a fairly common popular design. The fridge itself is extremely good. You've got fans in the fridge here to stir up the temperatures, so you've always got it uniform. You haven't got warm spots at the top or anything like that. It's even got a filter in there as well to deodorize it. But some of the other more practical things I like are the fact that the shelves, all the glass shelves, have got a little circular cutout at the side, which means that when it comes to moving it, it's really easy to move the shelf positions around just to suit whatever you happen to be doing at that particular time. You've got things like little stops in the door there to stop your bottles rattling. The salad box is particularly good. Things seem to last for ages in there. That's with strawberries, seem to last forever recently. But that's possibly because it's got two lids. If you lift this bit up, you'll notice that there's a plastic secondary lid there which really seals in the humidity. So when you close that up, it's very sealed, but you can just pop it up if you want to create a little space so that if you're doing maybe vegetables or things that aren't so humidity sensitive, you can allow a bit of airflow from the fridge to go in there. That's that. As far as the freezer's concerned, completely frost free, so no maintenance at all and things like that. You can just pop the very solid drawers out, and you've got glass shelves in there as well. So I think they call it Vario space. You've got plenty of room in there for putting large items like the turkey in and things like that. And then this is probably my favourite bit. Rather than some sort of linear number choice, when you turn this on, you'll get a display here of what temperature you've got, and you can choose exactly what temperature you want for your fridge. So I want my fridge to be 2 degrees. Some people might want 4, 5. I want my freezer to be -20. Some people might want 18, 16. Just depends on your thoughts on how for long the food might last and your eco credentials in that respect. But it's also got alarms on it, so if you forget to completely close the door by mistake, it will bleep and it will flash at you and let you know. And even if you're leaving the door open too long when you're loading shopping in, it will flash at you again and tell you, and you can just quickly cancel it by giving it a quick touch. It's even got things like vacation mode where you can turn half the product off if you're going away for a month but still leave the freezer on. So yeah, very nice quality product. Just one of the products they make.